Multiplying decimals. What would make sense? We have 1 6/100 times 32 5/10. This is about 1 times 30, so our answer should be around 30, so it makes sense to put the decimal here. We have an answer of 111 875 thousandths. So what would make sense? About 62 5/10 times 1.79, because that's about 60 times 2 would be 120, so that would make sense. Key idea: multiply normally and then place the decimal point in the product. We use something called a decimal counting box. So when you multiply decimals, you just multiply normally. 13 91/100 times 7, you'd multiply it normally, and then you count the decimals. This has 2 decimal places. This has 0. 2 plus 0 would be 2. You insert the 0 2 places starting to the left. Same over here. 1 32/100 times 5 6/10. 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place. Your answer will have 3 numbers after the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. Estimate 8 91/100. We look right at the decimal point in the 10th spot. It's a 9, so we round up. Times 1 2 26/100. It's a 2, so we round down. 9 times 1. This one will be about 9. 8 91/100 times 1 26/100. We make a decimal counting box. Here's our decimal point. 1, 2 numbers after the decimal point. Decimal point, 1, 2. Our answer will have 4 numbers after the decimal point. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 5 is 53. We're moving to the 10th place now. 10th place. So we annex 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Now we insert 2 zeros, because we're moving to the hundreds place. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. Then we're going to add all together. 6, 6. Carry the 1. 2, 11. So our answer is not 112,266. We have 4 numbers after the decimal point, so we start to the right. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 and 222,266 10,000ths is very close to 9. Next, 4 and 23/100, we're going to round that to 4 times 19. We can keep it at 19, or I can round up to 20, so it's easy math. This will be around 80. 4 and 23/100 times 19. Again, we just multiply normal. 2 numbers after the decimal point, 0 numbers after the decimal point. Our answer will have 2 numbers after the decimal point. We're moving to the 10th place, so we annex 0. Two numbers after the decimal point, 1, 2. 80 and 37/100 is very close to 80.